ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम। We have finished this Rukaranta Shabda Nru. Nru Shabda is Rukaranta, it is not Trujanta or Trunanta. So therefore the Upadha Dirgha after the Guna is done, Pratongi Sarvanama Sthana by this sutra, Upadha Dirgha does not take place. That is the difference. And Shashti Bahuvachan, the Ukara, the Rukara becomes Dirgha optionally. Once it happens, once it does not happen. So we get two forms, Nrunam, Nrunam. Rest of the forms are similar to this Rukaranta Shabda, Dhata Dhataro. So Na, Narav Naraha, Naram Narav, Nrun, Nra, Nrubhyam Nrubhihi, Nre, Nrubhyam Nrubhyaha. All the Trutiyadi Ajadi Pratyayas are there. Ta, Nye, Ngasi, Ngas, Os, and Am. Not Am. These, except Am, all the Ajadi Pratyayas. This Yana Adesha will take place. Saptami Bhakti Ekvachan Guna Adesha Guna takes place in the place of Ru because of Rutongi Sarvanama Sthana Yoho. That's how the Shabda gets over. Na Narav Naraha. That Shabda is over, and I think our yes, Rukaranta Shabda Prakarana is over. Rukaranta Shabdas are over. Now Dirgha, this is Hrasva Rukara. Hrasva Rukara. Dirgha Rukara. What about Dirgha Rukara? Dirgha Rukara Shabda is not given. So there is no Dirgha Rukaranta Shabda. But there are some dhatus which are Dirgha Rukaranta. So Tru, Kru, these are the dhatus. So now if we want to talk about those dhatus, and as it is if dhatu is taken, then if we make that Kru itself is the name of that dhatu, or Tru itself is the name of that particular dhatu, then we will have to decline it. But that is just that is not the exact part of language. Okay. So therefore it is not taken, and it does not come also. Now the next is Okaranta Shabda is given. Again, Ekaranta Shabda is not included here. After Rukara, Lukara Shabda, Lukaranta Shabda is also not there. Lukaranta Shabda and Dirgha Rukaranta Shabda, these are discussed in Siddhanta Kaumudi. That too just in case if anyone wants to decline Rukaranta or Lukaranta, taking dhatu as it is and making it Saudhnya of that dhatu, and then how to decline that, for that particular reason, the solution means that is taken. Ekaranta Shabda is also not there. Ekaranta Shabda, after doing Samasa etc., there is a possibility of getting Ekaranta Shabda. So Se, Smrite, these words are there, which are taken and which are declined also. The similar means no Vishishta Prakriya is not there for that. Just go on doing Ayadi Sandhi wherever the Ajadi Pratyay is there and decline it. Now next is Okara. Okaranta Shabdas are there. Now this Say Ekaranta Shabda which I mentioned, that is created Shabda, means that really does not exist in the language, but after doing some Prakriya or doing Samasa or doing some Tadhita Pratyay etc., we may get that type of form, but that is not the direct existing form. Just like Go, then nru, these shabdas are existing. So go shabda is there, which is okaranta shabda, and that is being discussed now. Shabda we need to declare. It is okaranta shabda. After rikaranta shabda, direct okaranta shabda is taken by Granthakara. Before we start this sutra, I just remembered the question was asked regarding which sutra we should apply for the guna, doing guna for sambodhana ekvachana in rikaranta shabda. I'll share that discussion. So this was the prashna what I had asked. Our question was that he dhatah, here the guna is done. Now hraswasya guna is the one sutra and ritongi sarvanamasthanayo is another sutra. Hraswasya guna talks about hrasva getting guna adesha, and ritongi sarvanamasthanayo sutra is talking about rikaranta shabda getting guna when there is sarvanamasthana pratyaya. So we had used ritongi sarvanamasthanayo to work on the he dhatah form. Now question was he dhatah iti atra hraswasya gunah तथा ऋतोंगि सर्वनामस्थानयोः iti ubhabhyam api sutrabhyam. By this both sutras guna is prapta. Guna is possible by both the sutras. गुणे प्राप्ते परत्वात् द्वितीयेन सूत्रेण अथवा अंतरंगत्वात् प्रथमेन सूत्रेण गुणः कर्तव्यः. गुण is प्राप्त, but with which sutra we should do guna? By second sutra because it is antaranga, or by first sutra which is hraswasya gunah? So I know the ritongi sarvanamasthanayo which is later one, and hraswasya gunah is first one. So which one should be applied? That was the question. The answer was paratvat ritongi sarvanamasthanayo, because ritongi sarvanamasthana is para. It is 7, 3, 10. So that sutra should be applied. Then katham tat parapekshaya antarangasya baliyastvam syat kila. So compared to the para and antaranga, if we compare both the sutras, then antaranga is baliya and para is not baliya, it's kaniya. So antaranga should be applied. Therefore hraswasya gunah is antaranga. Hraswasya gunah should be applied. So the Acharya asked question that katham antarangatvam niranaya, how did you decide the antarangatva of hraswasya gunah? Asya alpapekshatavam asti. The alpapekshatavam asti. The one of the criteria of antarangatva and bahirangatva nirnaya is alpapekshatavam bahvapekshatvam. So here it is alpapekshatavam, means it requires or it is having less conditions. Tathava ubhayoho apeksha upasthapyantam sakrit. Just tell me how the alpapekshatvam is there. Alpapekshatvam bahvapekshatvam is there. So just tell me. So I gave the hraswasya gunah, hraswantam angam sambuddhi su. These are the two requirements. There should be hraswanta anga and there should be su of sambuddhi. That is, these are the two conditions required for hraswasya gunah. Ritongi sarvanamasthana sutra tells anga should be ridanta and there should be sarvanamasthana pratyaya or ngi pratyaya. So these are the three things which are required in this particular sutra. Then the question, the answer is given here. धातरि इत्यत्र ऋतोंगि सर्वनामस्थानयोः इत्यस्य ङि प्रत्ययस्य अपेक्षा न भवति किल. निप्रत्ययस्य न भवति किल सर्वनामस्थान प्रत्ययस्य एव अपेक्षा भवति प्रकृते. So in the case of this su, sambuddhi su, there only rudanta anga and sarvanamasthana pratyaya, this much only is required. Ni is the part of sutra, but it is not playing any role in this particular prakriya, in this particular situation. Therefore, in the case of sarvanamasthana and rudanta anga, only two conditions are there. So both the sutras are having the equal amount of weightage. Atah samanapekshawati dve api shastre. Both the sutras are having equal amount of apeksha, equal amount of reasons. शास्त्रे द्वे अपि शास्त्रे भवतः सूत्रे भवतः इति कारणात् अन्यतरस्य अंतरंगत्वम् एव न भवति. Therefore, one of them is having antarangatva and one of them is having bahirangatva due to the alpapekshatva bahuvapekshатва is not possible. Tasmat hetu. Therefore now again question comes that which one we should do. Now there is no antaranga and bahiranga charcha. So see the para. Which one is para? That one should be applied. Tasmat hetu paratvat. Just skip that part. Paratvat ऋतोंगी सर्वनामस्थानयोः इत्यस्य एव प्रवृत्तिः न्याय्या. Therefore, the ऋतोंगी सर्वनामस्थानयोः, this sutra is the न्याय्य sutra to be applied here. And one more reason is given, Vishesha Vidhana Samarthyach, because it is specifically mentioned about Rukaranta Anga and Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Rukaranta Anga is specifically mentioned, whereas in first sutra it is just Hraswa. It can be Rukaranta, Ikaranta, Akaranta, it can be anyone. But here it is specifically mentioned Rudanta and the Pratyaya is also specifically mentioned Sarvanamasthana. Whereas in first sutra, Pratyaya is mentioned Sambuddhisu specifically, but Anga is not specific. It is more general, like Hraswanta. It can be I, U, Ru, Ru. That's how it is coming. So this is Vishesha Vidhana. Vishesha Vidhana Samarthya is there in this sutra. Therefore, these are the two hetus. One is para, another is Vishesha Vidhana Samarthya. Rutongi Sarvanamasthanayo ityasya eva pravrittihi nyaya. Therefore, it should be taken. This discussion, is this discussion occurring anywhere else? So the answer was Antaringatvadikam tavanna vyachari. It is not discussed anywhere what the Antaringa or Bahiranga. But Paratvat Rutongi Sarvanamasthanayoh iti anena gunaha, that much is seen. Iti etavadeva vyakyasu drushyate. That much is seen in Vyakyas. That was the discussion. Now this, therefore, the conclusion comes like the Rutongi Sarvanamasthanayoh sutra should be applied and we will apply, not the Rasvasya Gunaha. Paratvat. Reason we will take Paratvat. And another reason is mentioned Vishesha Vidhana Samarthya. Just keep the Vishesha Vidhana Samarthya aside. Something is there to be explained. But the answer is clear why we are using the Rutongi Sarvanamasthanayoh sutra to make guna.
It's clear, Ji.
Now, Vishesha Vidhana Samarthya. Apavada Sutra, how to decide which one is Apavada? How will we decide? So there are different criteria or different ways to define, okay, this is Apavada. One of them is this, Vishesha Vidhana. Samanya Vidhana, Vishesha Vidhana. Somewhere it is said in general and somewhere it is said specifically. Okay, this is one way of defining whether it is Apavada or not. So this is Apavada of this. So here itself we saw that Hrasvasya Gunaha makes general statement, Hrasva will get Guna. And Rudangi Sarvanamasthanayoh talks about specifically Rikaranta Anga. So this is Vishesha Vidhana. With Vishesha Vidhana, this happens. Now there is one more, this is one way. Okay, now this is one of the reasons what he had given to do the Guna Adesha here. One more, which is popular one is Yenana prapte yo vidhir arabhyate satasyapavadaha. This is one statement. this paribhasha. येन न अप्राप्ते यो विधिः आरभ्यते सह तस्य अपवादः. So this statement we will see after some time, but in short I will give the meaning. So it is kind of okay. Something is definitely prapta, and then some other vidhi is arabdha. Then something is different. This is very similar to, we may think that this is niyama, but it is not niyama. Slight difference is there. Something is definitely prapta, but again something new is introduced, or something is introduced newly. Then that is called apavada. Whatever is arabdha becomes apavada of earlier. So it can come, this arambha can come later, can come before. Okay, samanya vidhi will be there somewhere, and this vishesha vidhi, where the vishesha vidhi is supposed to be done, where it is asked to be done, that place, that location is already covered by samanya vidhi, and again something is explained in this one particular sutra that can come before or after this samanya vidhi. So by samanya vidhi something is prapta, and by vishesha vidhi again something new is explained. So both of them are talking about the same location where we are supposed to work. Then which one we will choose? The apavada one will be chosen, because this was already covered, this was already possible, again it was started. So should we choose this or this? So this one should be chosen, because this was prapta only, then there was no need of explaining this. If it is explained, then take this one, not this one. So that is the meaning of, in short, the meaning of yenana praptiyo vidhirarabhidhe sadasyapavada. So this is another way. This one is the popular one. Now let's come back to the grantha. So that question is solved. Anyway, this explanation is going to come, but today or tomorrow I will have to explain that. So we will see that paribhasha soon. Now let's come to the sutra. Now go is shabda, and we need to decline it. Go su. This is the condition we have got. Now the sutra is coming directly. No need to go further. Let's read the sutra and then we will enter in the prakriya. Gotonit, 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 gotah, nit. Only two padas are there. Gotah is in Panchami, nit is in Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan. Gotah is Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachan. The Kashikakara is also giving the way of explaining, where he says that Gotah can be taken in Shashti, that we will see later. Gotah nit. What is the meaning? Again, this is Atidesha Sutra. Anidvat Bhava is being brought. So earlier also we had done Anidvat Bhava. So let's do Go Dhana Su. Sutra is saying that after Go Shabda, whatever is there, Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya, it will become like Anit. Now, Nit is that which has Ana as it. Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas do not have Nit. That's it. These are the 5 Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas. In this Sarvanama Sthana Pratyayas, none of them is Nit. None of them are having Na as it. Then Nidvat Bhava is brought here. How it is said, or how this Anidvat Bhava is brought? So it is said that गोतः आफ्टर गो शब्द, गोतः सर्वनाम स्थानम, सर्वनाम स्थानम, सर्वनाम स्थान प्रत्ययाः, प्रत्ययाः निद्वत्, just keep aside the moola, the granthakara's line. Let's understand this one first. गोतः आफ्टर गो पंचमी विभक्ति एकवचन, सर्वनाम स्थानम, सर्वनाम स्थान प्रत्ययाः निद्वत् भवति और स्यात्. This is the meaning. Here is the Siddhanta Kaumadikara's the वृत्ति. गो शब्दात् परम, गोतः गो शब्दात् परम, सर्वनाम स्थानम, परम सर्वनाम स्थानम. So we will add this shabda. गोतः गो शब्दात् परम, after, in front of. So गो शब्दात् परम सर्वनाम स्थानम, सर्वनाम स्थान प्रत्ययः निद्वत् स्यात्. That will become like nit, means it will have the qualities of nit now. Now what has been done by Granthakara, he has interpreted okarat vihitam sarvanama sthanam nidvat syat. What is the meaning? Okarat, okay. Sarvanama sthanam nidvat syat. May sarvanama sthana be considered as nit. Which sarvanama sthana? So he is saying that okarat vihitam, that sarvanama sthana which is vihita, vihita means asked to be done, after okaranta shabda, after okar. That's what he is saying. Okay, this is not the exact meaning of sutra. This is not the exact meaning. If at all we want to have the meaning of sutra, then this is the meaning. Kotah go shabdat param sarvanama sthanam nidvatsat, sarvanama sthanam sarvanama sthana pratyaya nidvat bhavanti. That is the meaning. Now this meaning is not exactly the meaning of sutra, original sutra. So let's keep this meaning aside and work with the Siddhanta Kaumadikara's vritti. We will work and then we will come back, because we need to come to there. Why he is taking this meaning, that also will be discussed. But for now, let's take the Siddhanta Kaumadikara's opinion and let's see. Su is the this Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya. It is there in front of Okaranta Shabda go. After go Shabdat Sarvanama Sthanam Nidvat Bhavati. So Su got the quality of Nit Pratyaya. The Nidvat Bhava or Nit causes some work. Can you remember that work? Some work we had done. Do you remember Nidvat Bhava? When did we do Nidvat Bhava? Okay, I will give you the clue. It comes in Ikaranta Shabda. Ikaranta Pullinga. Okay. I will tell the work. O turns into O. So, Vruddhi happens. What is the sutra? Remember this sutra? Acho niti. Niti niti pratyaya pare अजंतांगस्य वृद्धि स्यात्. So nit and nit pratyay is there in front of shabda anga, then the anga will get vruddhi. Antyaswara will become vruddha. Here it is go, o, and sa is pratyaya, which is su pratyaya, and it is named as, or it is given the quality of nit pratyaya. It has nidvat bhava now. So therefore, because of it has qualities of nit, therefore the vruddhi is done to the last letter of go shabda. It becomes gau. Now gaus, that's what happens, gaus. Further is normal prakriya. Sa turns into ru, ru turns into visarga, sasayushoruhu kharavasane visarjaniya. Gau ru by sa sajusho ruhu, then gaur nasikait gu is kharavasanayor visarjaniya. The form is clear. This form is clear. See? We move to the next form.
Yes, Ji.
Gau, dhana, au. What will happen here? No, sir, not gau. Go. Huh?
Echoyavayavaha.
Is prapta, but will not happen.
First, we have to make it nitvat, no? So nit.
Yeah, first we have to bring nidvat bhava. Let's do the nidvat bhava. Done. Nidvat bhava is done. Here we will put the nidvat bhava. Oto nit. And after go shabda, there is sarvanama sthana pratyaya. It is considered as nit pratyaya. Now, what is the work of nidvat bhava? Same one. Remember acho and iti sutra. Iti niti cha pratyaya pare ajantangasya vruddhi sat.
So the pratyaya will become ni.
No, pratyaya
So
will remain as
okara
it is.
in go.
Okara will get the vruddhi. Okara will get vruddhi. Why? Because vruddhi for O is au. That is the closest one. There are vruddhis a, I and au. Among these three, if we are supposed to bring vruddhi in the place of O, then au is the most similar to this okara. A cannot be brought, I cannot be brought. O, au is the most similar vruddhi, therefore we bring au. Therefore au comes. Sutra is achoiniti. Here it is. इति णिति प्रत्यय परे अजंतांगस्य वृद्धि. अचोणिति उगंत लघु पदस्य च, then सार्वधातुक अर्धधातुक, these sutras will come again and again in this. Here it is. इति णिति च प्रत्यय परे अजंतांगस्य वृद्धि स्यात्. And we had seen the ह्रस्व एकारांत शब्द सखी शब्द. There we had seen. So here now pratyay is not anit, but anidvat bhava is brought. When anit pratyay is there in front of any ajantanga, that ajantanga gets vruddhi. Here it is okaranta shabda, anga is ajanta, ach is o will get vruddhi. The most similar vruddhi to the o is au, and that is brought. We make it go into go, and then au is the dvivachana pratyay in front of it. Sutra is acho now. What will happen now? Hereafter normal prakriya.
Now we can do echoyava.
Now we can. Yes, now we will do echoyava. Av will come. Then av. Sutra is echoyava. Yavah. Form is ready. Gavau. Go. Dhana just. What will happen here?
Again gotonit.
Gotonit. Bhava is brought to the just pratyaya. Now after making nidvat,
Achoniti.
Achoniti, by achoniti vruddhi. As now
Echoyavayavah.
echoyavayavah. Form is avas. Then sasayushoruhu.
Sasajushoruhu.
Then
Karavasanayor visarjaniye. Visarjaniyah.
Karavasanayor visarjaniyah. Form is ready. Gavah. Correct. Next, go dhana what will be the prapta here?
Amipurvah.
Amipurva doing bada of echoyavayavah, prathamayo purva savarnah. Everything will be removed, and what will be brought? The prathamayo purva savarna will not be applicable here. Prathamayo purva savarna, by the way, will not be applicable here. Only this one will be applicable. Amipurva, echoyavayavah, and then amipurva. But now amipurva is also not applied. New sutra is introduced. Let's read. Autom shasoho, autom shasoho, autom shasoho, autom shasoho. Let's understand this sutra. How it is supposed to be understood is this. A and then ओतः. A plus O, औ, वृद्धि is done. औतः. Correct? This औतः word we get. A is akara. It should be in Prathama Vibhakti. Means it is in Prathama Vibhakti, but Vibhakti is not mentioned here. The Sandhi is done with A and O. So consider this A as Prathama Vibhakti anta. A autah am shasoho. That's how it is supposed to be split. The whole sutra will be split like this. A otah am shasoho. Let's understand what the sutra is saying. That A आकारः एकादेशः स्यात्. May akara come as eka adesha in the place of both. That is the meaning. Ekadesha is where the adesha comes in the place of both the letters. So akara is supposed to come, which is mentioned here. A स्यात्. A स्यात्, आकारः स्यात्, ekadesha स्यात्. It should come in the place of both the letters ekadesha. When otah after okara, there or shas is there. Shasoho. So otah shasoho parayoho satoho akarah ekadeshah syat. Akara will come as eka adesha. We had the example going on like this. Then O Amipurva is prapta, but that is badhita by this sutra. It is saying that if anga is okaranta and after that there is or shas, then what do? You do the akara ekadesha. Next step will be ga. O will disappear. A will disappear. Ma will remain. And what will come? Akara will come. Ga, A, and then Ma. In the place of both the letters. So, sutra is autom shasoho. Ga, A, Ma. Form is ready. No any other prakriya. Now here, not only Amipurvaha sutra is badhita, but also this Nidvad bhava is also not taken in the account. Nidvad bhava also will not happen here. What will happen here? Akara will come in the place of both the letters. So gam, this pratyaya we get. Otah amshasoho achi akarah ekadeshah syat. This achi is taken. So the ach is there when they are in front of okara. Both of them will be replaced by. So ach is supposed to be understood as the ach of and ach of shas. This meaning and the sutra is clear. Should I repeat once? I will repeat. Huh? Ji? Okay. Now one more one point I will mention before going to the sutras. Though the sutras are talking about grammar, sometimes in the sutras itself, grammar will not be followed. In some rules, now Paniniji only is making some rules and he himself will not follow some rules. So the thing is that Chandot Sutrani Bhavanti. The sutras are like Chandas. Chanda means Veda. So where the Muni is Swatantra. he will be doing the work like Vedas, means his work is considered as Veda, as Chandas. So therefore, something will be there in the sutras sometimes we will find which does not fit in the rules. Sometimes it is made for rules to indicate that this is considered as the rule. If it is not mentioned in the rule, make a rule with which this form will be formed. But sometimes it is just Chandavat, means he has taken the freedom and he does not do that. So here the akara, which is here, a, otah, that's how we split. How do we do that? That akara is not declined, and we have seen the akaranta shabda. So aha, it should be. Then why not? So vibhakti lopa, with what rule we did the lopa of vibhakti after akara? So there is no such explanation for this disappearance of prathama vibhakti ekvachana from that a. So this sometimes we find in the sutras. Now this is lupta prathama vibhaktiyanta padam. This word is having prathama vibhakti lupta after it. Okay. So gam is over. Now next is go dhana out. What will happen here?
The same prakriya like above.
Gotonit will come. So by Gotonit, Anidvat Bhava will happen. Because of Anidvat Bhava, again O will be replaced by Au, by Achvaniti. Then Ho Yavayavaha, Ga, Au, form is ready. Gavau. Then Go Dhana Shas. What will happen here?
We have to apply the sutra we just saw. So we will get purva parayoho a adesha.
Correct. Ga, O will disappear, A will disappear. We get A, and then Sa. Sutra is Autom Shasoho. Gas. Then Sasarshuru Karavasana Visarjaniya. After doing Rutu Visarga, we get Aha. So forms are, so far we have declined. Gauhu, Gavav, Gavaha. Gavav, Gavaha. Gavav, Gaha. Autom Shaso is coming here. In the case of and Shas, remaining Sarvanamasthana Pratyas, Nidvat Bhava is happening because of Nidvat Bhava. Ajantanga, that Ach is getting Vruddhi by Achvaniti. Okay? So Gotonit, then Achvaniti, and Autom Shasoho. These are the sutras we have seen. Now, what about Go Dhanata? What will happen here? Gava. Just Ayadi Adesha. There is no special word. Go Dhana Bhyam. No Vishishta Prakriya. Go Bhyam. Go Dhana Bhis. Just Kharavasana Sasarushoruhu Visarjanya Visarga. form is ready. Go bihi. Go dhana nge. Nga will disappear by lashakva tadhite. A will remain. Go plus A. Echoyavayavaha. Av will come in the place of O. Gav. A. Gave. Form is ready. Gave. Go dhanabhyam. No prakriya. Go bhyam. Go dhanabhyas. Again no vishishta prakriya. Form is just sasajushorhu kharavasanor visarjaniyah. Go bhyah. Go dhana ngasi. E will disappear, nga will disappear. Upadeshayo nasikit and then lashakva tadhite tasya lopaha. We will get go dhana as and one step is there now. Go dhana as. This is the situation in front of us. I will split go dhana as. What will happen here? One sutra we have seen. Okay, I will write the answer. Answer is goho. This is the answer. Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachan. Any guess?
Purvarupa happens.
Correct. Purvarupa happens. What is the sutra? Ngasi asoscha is the sutra. Ga I have mentioned somewhere. Yes, sutra I have mentioned. Ngasi asoscha. Engaha ngasi asoho. It is ingaha. It does not ghee, etc. We had seen this sutra when we were seeing the ghee saudnyaka shabda. Ghee saudnyaka ghearing iti, by that it had cut guna. Ikaranta shabda became ekaranta and ukaranta shabda became okaranta. Just like bhanu became bhano, guru hari became hare. And then as hares ngasi asoho engaha ngasi asoho atipare purva rupa ekadeshasya. And we had done the purva rupa. So it is just asking us to see whether it is enganta or not. Here it is enganta. Go is enganta by its nature only. Okara is not coming by guna or something. But it doesn't matter whether the okara has come as guna adesha or not. It is eng letter and then there is ngas or ngasi, ngasi or ngas, these two pratyayas, and there is akara in front of it. Then purva rupa will take place. So O will disappear, A will also disappear. Again new O will come. So sutra is ngasi asoscha. Gos sasajushoru guru. Then gor upadeshejan nasikait and last is goho kharvasanoir visarjaniyah. Goho. Then go dhanabhyam. Form is ready, no prakriya. Go bhyam. Go dhanabhyas. No prakriya. Sasajushoru kharvasanoir visarjaniyah. This prakriya will happen. Go bhyah. Then go dhanangas. Same prakriya will happen. Ngasi asoscha. By this purva rupa will take place. So ga o dhana as. Then ga shunya sa. Ga O will come as purva rupa. Sutra is ngasi oscha. Gos, goru, gor, goho. Sasavushoruhu. Then kharvasanoir visarjaniyah. Form is ready. Goho. Then go dhana os. What will happen here?
Echo yava yavaha.
Right. Ga au dhana os. Sutra is echo yava yavaha. ससयुषोरुः खरवसानयोः विसर्जनीयः गवोः. Go dhana am. What will happen here? No prakriya. Av will come am. Wow. Go dhana ni. Again here. Choyavayava will take place. Av dhana e. Gavi. So the sutra is again Choyavayava. Go dhana os. Again Choyavayava. Sasayushoruः खरवसानयोः विसर्जनीयः. Form is गवोः. Go dhana sup. One sutra will be applicable. Sutra is adesha pratyayoho in kubhyam parasya. Now this is in. Okara is okara falls under the in category or in letters. So therefore goshu will be the form. Sutra will be adesha pratyayoho. Goshu. Now here comes go dhana su. Sambodhana ekvachan. What will happen here?
Su get lopa. Su gets lopa.
No.
Hey goho.
No. I will show the pratyay. The form I will show. This is the form.
Vriddhi will happen.
Yes. So
No, just
Achoni.
hey goho.
He gauhu is the form. When visarga is there after aukara, then it should be pronounced like hu. So it is he gauhu. It's not he gohu. Now why he gauhu? Kunal said that vriddhi will happen. How? How will we bring the vriddhi?
Because Sambodhana is also Sarvanamasthana, considered as Sarvanamasthana. Sambodhi.
So this su is considered, su is just prathama vibhakti pratyaya and it is sarvanamasthana pratyaya. So gotonit is very much applied here. So anidvat bhava is brought. Once anidvat bhava is brought to this hu, then what happens?
Achoniti.
Vriddhi.
Choniti. Please, form is ready. Gauhu. So Prathama Vibhakti and the normal Prathama Vibhakti and Sambodhana form is also, both of these forms are same. Again, Godhana. What will happen here?
Etveva.
No.
No, the Otonit.
Otonit will happen here.
Otonit followed by Achoniti. Echo Yavayavaha.
Yes. First, Goto Nit will happen. Nidvat Bhava will be brought here. It is Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Once it is made, means it is turned into Nit, then Achoniti is applied and Okara gets Vriddhi. It becomes Gau. Au. Now Aukara gets Ayadi Adesha. Ga. Au. Then Au. Sutra is Echo. Va. Yavah. Form is ready. Gavav. And indicator of Sambodhana. He Gavav. Now go. Dhana Jas. What will happen here? Same prakriya. This is also Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Unit. Nidvat Bhava will be brought. Because of Nidvat Bhava, Okara will get Vriddhi. Sutra is Acho Niti. Niti Niti Pratyaya Pare Ajantanga se Vriddhi. So Vriddhi is brought. Now Ayadi Adesha. Ga. Au. As. Sutra is Echo. Yava Yavaha. Then Gavas. Sa turns into Ru. Gavaru. Sutra is Sa Sajuto Ru. Then Gavar. Upadeshe Janonasikait. खरवसानयोर् विसर्जनीयः गावः. Indicator of Sambodhana. He Gavah. Thus the Go Shabda is over. Gavhu Gavav Gavah. Gam Gavav Gaha. Gava Gobhyam Gobhi. Gave Gobhyam Gobhya. Goho Gobhyam Gobhya. Gavi Goho Gau. Goho Gavoho. Goho Gavoho Gavam. It should be here. Goho Gavoho.
षष्ठी बहुवचनम.
Yes. Gavam. Goho Gavoho Gavam. Gavi Gavoho Goshu. He Gauhu. He Gavo. He Gavaha. What are the measures, main work in Go Shabda, Okaranta Shabda? The Sarvanamasthana Pratyayas, when they will get Nidvat Bhava. And Shas Pratyayas, when these Pratyayas are there in front of Go Shabda, Okara and the Akara of and Shas will be replaced by Akara, that will be Ekadesha. That's it. Anywhere else, just the Ayadi Adesha will happen. Go Shabda here gets over. Should we do Shanti Pat Swamiji?
Yes. Yes.
Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। हरि ओम स्वामी जी।
ओम।
हरिओम जी।
हरि ओम जी।